From ancient Celtic festivals to the chilling Pendle witch trials, Halloween has always been a night filled with mystery and magic. But today we're bringing that spirit to life in a whole new way by crafting spooky oak earrings shaped like bats, ghosts, witches' hats, and jack-o'-lanterns. Every October 31st we celebrate Halloween. But where did it come from? It began over 2,000 years ago with the Celts, who marked the festival of Samhain. They believed that on this night, the boundary between the living and the dead grew thin and spirits could roam the earth. When Christianity spread, the church replaced Samhain with All Hallows' Eve, the night before All Saints' Day. Over time, the traditions blended together. In the 1800s, Irish immigrants brought their customs to the United States. They carved scary faces into turnips to ward off spirits. But in America, pumpkins were easier to find and the jack-o'-lantern was born. By the 20th century, Halloween had transformed into a community holiday, with costumes, candy, and trick-or-treating becoming the traditions we know today. So whether spooky or sweet, Halloween is a mix of ancient rituals, religious traditions, and a whole lot of fun. In 1612, the hills of Pendle in Lancashire, England, became the setting for one of the most famous witch trials in history. At the time, fear of witchcraft was everywhere. Strange illnesses, failed crops, and accidents were often blamed on witches. 12 people from the Pendle area, mostly women, were accused of using magic to harm their neighbours. Some were from two rival families, already known for begging and fortune-telling. The trial was held at Lancaster Castle. Shocking testimony came from a 9-year-old girl who spoke against her own family. In the end, 10 people were found guilty and executed. Today, the story of the Pendle Witches is remembered as a chilling reminder of fear and superstition, and how it changed lives forever. The legend of the Pendle Witches still haunts Lancashire more than 400 years later. Inspired by stories of Halloween and the Pendle Witches, I designed 4 different earring designs. These are bat, jack-o'-lantern, ghost and witch's hat. I cut these out on the CNC. So how did the earrings turn out? What's your style?